That's okay. We're gonna get a few of those anyway, I think.
Whoa.
What were we talking about on Wednesday? You guys can drop your bags if you want. We're gonna be outside for a little bit measuring stuff. So if you want to just make yourself comfortable, relax. Well, actually, do you guys feel okay leaving your stuff out here? We're gonna be in the immediate vicinity as far as, and I'll be right next to it watching. I want to measure these ADA ramps over here. So, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that as a yes. What were we doing on Wednesday?
Grades.
Grade, tell me.
Rise over
All
run.
about it. Rise over run. Love that. Love that. Tell me more. Slope. Good. Good. What else do you remember? Slope, rise over run.
Angle.
Say that again.
Percentages.
Percentages. Good. That's how we usually report them. 5%, 6%, things like that. What else? I heard angles. Good. Angles. What about the angles? How are they related? Do you remember? Good.
Tangent.
That cool function called a tangent. Yes, and it's a neat mathematical construct, but we're just using tables for the time being to look it up. There's a TI command in the homework set. You'll see how to get it on your TIs if you want to go that route, but it's just as easy just to use a tangent table. I heard 45 over here. Good. That's the 100% grade, which I don't think many of you still believed after class was over last time. 45% was 45 degrees was 100%. And why is 45 degrees 100%? Do you remember why a 45-degree angle is I didn't bring chalk. Damn it, that would have been perfect. Can I see one here?
Do you have a dry eraser right on the wall?
Yeah, it does. That's not even close. There's no stairs on campus that even approach that, although there is one set of stairs in Ochako that's wickedly steep. If you've been through Ochako, you know. It's the one we can actually see the entrance right over here. The stairs right outside of room 123 when you walk up. It feels like your heart's gonna explode by the 10th step. Wickedly steep. But they're not even 100%. They're more like a 38, 39 degree angle. Why is a 45 degree angle 100%? And I guess I can't, not even a joke. Why? How come? Why? That's what I wanted to hear. Remember how we had a definition of the grade being the rise over the run? In a 45 degree angle, what's true about the rise and the run?
Infinite.
They're the same. Hold that thought for infinite. We'll get back to that, Katie.
No, she said.
Amber. We'll get back to that. So imagine, Jeremiah, put your arm between my elbow and my finger up here. Okay, so there's a 45 degree angle right there, all right? Notice, assuming that I'm not completely lopsided, this and this are the same, yeah?
Yeah.
Which makes that be a 45 degree angle, which also makes this be a 45 degree angle. So, the rise and the run are the same. Wrote a bump by Tony, that's even better. So rise and the run are the same, so you've got the same number divided by the same number, that equals 1, tangent, 1, 100%. So what happens when this angle, go ahead and make your angle steeper. Boom. That's over 100% grade, isn't it? Because in order for me to catch that, well, I'd have to bring this in like that, which just makes my rise is still the same as it was, but my run just got shorter, didn't it? Yes? It's a strange dance we're doing. I love it. So there's your 100%. I heard infinite grade or infinite slope. That's dead vertical. That's dead vertical. And why is that infinite?
Because it goes on forever. Can't make
No run, all
rise.
rise. So rise divided by 0 equals infinity, essentially. That's terrible. Sorry I said that, YouTube. It's not technically correct. But rise, any number divided by 0 is infinite. There's no, you can't divide by 0. That's the problem with division by 0. It becomes infinite. How about if it's the other way? What if we lay the angle down, like on the ground-ish that we're working on right now? What would the grade of this quad be?
Undefined.
0, because it's all run and no rise. Essentially no rise. I mean, there's a little bit of a tilt, it looks like, but negligible for conversation. Cool so far? So, we live on a Stairmaster of a campus, though, don't we? Yes. Yes, we do. It's a wonderful campus to get in shape on and walking up and down the freaking stairs all the time. So what I'm going to have you guys do today is to wander around our beloved quad up here. We're going to break into little teams, and we're going to average some grades of staircases. What I've got is 13 staircases. So I need you to form 13 groups. Pair up with, I think we can go like, if we do groups of 2, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 31. So let's do like a bunch of groups of 2 and maybe a couple groups of 3. That should get us 13 groups. Let me make sure I'm not full of crap.
Or one group of
14. I got 14. I need 14 groups.
Yeah.
Let me count again. 14 groups. So that's like a bunch of groups of 2 and maybe 1 or 2 groups of 3. Okay? And then once we do that, what we're going to do is I'm going to give each group a map of the quad. There we go. Introduce each other. If you don't know each other, it's perfect. I'm going to turn the camera off because the world doesn't need to see this.